Now I'm going to show you something about subroutine or subprogram in Fortran. So I'm still going to use some examples in the tutorial. Yeah, I still want to give credit to the author of the tutorial. So here we have this program. Actually, this program is before we use a subroutine. I mean, it looks not very concise, right? But in this way, we can show that if we use subroutine, it will make the program more organized. Okay, yeah, let's read this program first. So, yeah, we already know this. Implicit none, right? It means to inhibit a very old feature of Fortran, like this. So later, if you do not understand it, you can check this website. Okay, this one is how to declare some arrays, right? We want to have ABC arrays, and each array we have 3 elements. And here we want to declare a character variable. The name of the variable is answer, and also we want to have only one character actually. So here on this website gives you some explanation of what does you see *1 mean, what does *20 mean. So here, suppose we have this statements: character, parentheses, area equal 10, city, nation. Yeah, it's not times. Actually, it's star, asterisk. Asterisk, and box and bug asterisk 1. So we can see city and box can hold a string no more than 10 characters, but nation can hold a string no more than 20 characters. Bug can hold only 1 character. So yeah, no more than 1, so only can be 1, right? Here, actually, this 10 will take care of these 2. Yeah, actually 20 already modified 10, and 1 also modified 10. Do not use the 10 characters setting, right? Okay. Initialize arrays. You see, initialize array. Even in one array, there are 3 elements, but we only have to use 1 assignment. That's it. That means for all elements, they should have the same value. For A, in array A, have the same value, 1.5 in B. Each element is 2.5 in C, 3.5. So here, this line, write something, right? So here, let's check this website. You can check this website if you are not very clear. So here, you see, write star, comma, star. So the first asterisk means the input comes from a keyboard, right? And also in read statement, but in write statement, that means we have the first one, star, means we want to write something on the screen. And actually for write and read statements, they have 2 parameters. So I already explained the first parameter. If we put star, that means input comes from a keyboard in read, and output goes to screen in write. Okay, so here, how about the second let's say parameter, right? So here, if we use asterisk, that means so actually the second parameter specifies the format we want to use to do input or output. If we put star, that means a free format. So let's go back to the program and see what does this mean. Actually, 1, you see, it's called format label. 1 is called format label, and also in the later for this program, for this line to do some formatting, you need to follow this format. Actually show what the format should be, and there is a 1. So this is the format label 1. That means we use write, want to get print something on the screen. We want to use format 1, right? Later I will change and to test to explain our idea. And also here, you see write something. First get a letter A. Actually it's a character, and then get all the values in array A, and print something if you want to continue, and then read actually read something from the keyboard, right? And then something, the value will come to answer, and then we can check answer. Actually in Fortran, this one, slash equal means not equal, means not equal. So if we translate into English, that means if the answer, if we get some key from the keyboard, if it's not equal to Y, means we do not want to continue. The program will stop. So if we want to continue, then we'll actually output something on the screen from B, and then ask continue or not, and then check continue or not, and then if continue, you'll read something from C, output to the screen, and also check to continue or not, and if not, if we want to continue, we input yes, and then we output something. So actually something is a multiplication of A, B, and C. So here, do multiplication times together, we can get the result. So here is the format. Already explained. Here use 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. They need to match, right? To specify here, you see, specify which format we want to use. Let me explain something about format. So we can go to this website. You see here, actually in the format, you see statement, we have the first parameter as A. So what does A stands for? A means we want to get some text string. And also, let me explain this one. 3. You see 3. This 3 means we want to get for each line. We can only get 3 numbers. How about 8? 8 means for the number, the format can only have 8 characters. If all the digits are not enough for 8 characters, then we need to fill some white space, and it is right justified. That means the number will fill something at the left side of the number. If it's not, it's less than 8 characters. and 3. That means the fractional part, the digits in fractional parts of the number. Okay, I already explained each line. So here actually, I want to show you something about subroutine, but we haven't go to that point yet. So here, I explain everything. Actually, we can learn something else, right? First deal, we need to build and then run. Let's wait. So you see, actually this line comes from right *1 A, right? And also we can see initially we have a 1.5, only one digit in fractional part. But after we do format, we have 3 digits, and also we want to use 8 characters to represent the number, and in total we have 1.500. Now we have for the digits we have 5 characters, and actually we have 3 numbers here, 3 spaces here, also 3 white spaces here and 3 white spaces here to get to 8 characters. So we need to check. If we put yes, and then we can continue. If we put yes, we can continue. We get B. And put yes, we can get C. And put yes, we can get the result: A times B times C. So let's try something. If we put 2, let's check what will happen, since we know that this number is a number of numbers in each line. So we need to build. Since we already modified the program, we need to after we build, and then we can start to run. Actually we got some problem. You see, for A, this array has 3 elements, but for this format we can only output 2 numbers in each line, so the third one has no place to go. Still, you see, no place to go, just get some random symbol here, right? So you see question mark and then prime edit and then RA or something, just some random thing. Okay, let's go back to 3. Let me show you what does this mean. Suppose we want to have in total 20 characters to represent the number. So that means definitely we only have 5 digits, right? The total number, the whole number, but we want to have 20 characters to represent. So what will happen? So you see the space is very wide right now, right? Just now we only try Y. Let's try no. No, that means we do not want to continue. Just stop the program, right? And let me change back. The format is not very pretty. So let me explain about 1 here. So if I put this one, how to do? Let's do this one. Let's do 2, right? And also you can see it's filled. Actually it's filled. It's filled, right? It's filled. Because format label 1 does not exist, and the label 2 is declared but not used, right? Okay. Let's make some changes here. So before we specify the format as format 1, and we have format 1. But here we have format 2, but we specify for write. You see, write statement, the format as 1. So cannot find just now. But here I just want to match 2, 2, 2, 2. Should be fine, right? Okay. Yeah. Completed. You see, it's completed, successful, right? Okay. And then let me start to run. You see, no error, right? And then, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I only want to use this example to show you before, if we do not use subroutine, and then how tedious it is. If we use subroutine, we can make it concise. Yeah, I think I'll make another video to show you how concise it is if we use subroutine. And also I explain something we haven't learned. I haven't explained. Okay, that's it. Thank you.